Strawberry's house.
Yeah, because my room, as you can tell, is empty.
Empty.
Guess what? Who's locked out? I'd rather be locked out than stuck in there with you. Yeah, exactly. This is New Year's Day or Eve or night or whatever you call it.
Yep. No drinking yet. Her brother's annoying. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill
Very
him.
annoying.
We want to shout out to banana flavored mayonnaise, oranges, and pineapple.
I love you guys.
Otherwise known as Cameron, Marissa Potts, and Kira Wallace. Woo! We love
We
you.
love you.
Woo!
Let's see, what else? Yeah, exactly. It's New Year's. I can show you the lights. The lights. Okay. Yeah, they're kind of hard to call. Like, how can you
can't see them?
No.
Dude, why do you always gotta mess with us?
Jesse, stop it.
Oh, if he wasn't a little kid, I'd so freaking kick him.
Oh, I'd kick him right now anyway. We're gonna kick him.
Ready, fashion shot!
Locked out! People are locked out tonight!
Okay, let's